Have you ever wondered how our mothers were able to space their children before modern contraceptives were made? Interesting. Here is the secret. Hello, I welcome. To C, E, zinc, manganese, protein, alkaloid, folic acid, and so on. So now, let me show you how to use it as a natural birth control. While doing it, I'll go ahead and tell you the benefits of the Negro Seed water. That is order water, we call it. So let's go into it. So look at it here. The first thing you need to do is to wash it very well. I always wash my own with some salt. Wash it very well with some salt. So I just pour water on it. Let me bring another water. I'll go ahead and wash it very well. Just take a look at the water, very dirty. Pour water again and some little salt and wash it again for the second time. So after washing it, I'll now go ahead and dry it with my kitchen tissue. Dry it very well with your kitchen tissue. Get my blender, pour it on it. Close it very well. So that's the way it should be, just like this. Close it, set it aside. Get my pot. This is the one I'm going to use. Pour it water. This is 200 ml for me. And then add this later, not now. Okay. Put my pot on fire. Allow it to boil. As soon as it starts boiling, then I'll add the Negro Seed on it. So the water is now on fire. I'm now waiting for it to start boiling. Once the water is very hot, then I'll add the Negro Seed powder. So while waiting for the water, as it just starts boiling, let me quickly share with you more benefits of this Negro Seed water. And that is, it helps to stimulate menstrual bleeding, which means it helps for increased menstrual period flow. If you are such that are having irregular menstrual period, this drink is also for you. It is a postpartum herbal tonic in the sense that with the other spices such as scent leaves, that is ozoza in Igbo we call it, otazi leaf. Please, someone should help me with the English name. I don't know the English name of otazi. Please write it on the comment section for me. And it helps to boost the healing and recovery process of the wounds after delivery. It helps to stimulate appetite, reduces pain, and helps in the breast milk to flow, and so on. So right now, as you can see, the water has boiled very well. I'll now go ahead and add 2 tablespoons, but it all depends on you. If you want to add 3 tablespoons, it's okay. Turn it very well. But don't forget that it is pepperish. So allow it to boil a little more, just 1 minute or 2 minutes. Yeah, it's done. So that's the way it looks. Take a look at that. You can see some small particles. Then you can sieve it, or you allow it to cool down. If you don't have sieve, you can allow it to cool down for the particles to settle under. If you don't have sieve. So because I have, I'll go ahead immediately and sieve it. You can as well pour water on this. If you want to take this one in the morning, you can as well pour water on this one and cook it again. Or you pour enough water, or you blend enough Negro Seed pepper so that you can get enough water of it, and then get small bottle Once it's cooled down, because it's very hot, I can't even take it like this because it's very, very hot. I'll wait for it to cool down. You can see it's very small after cooking it. So it's good to add more water. For me, I always add more water when I'm cooking large quantity because I use this bottle to put it in the fridge. I'll show you guys later. So guys, I later added it more water to show you how I used to do it. If I don't want to drink it immediately, I will now get my small bottle, pour it here. This one is going straight to the fridge. So as it is, just like this, get anything that has cap cover, pour it there, close it. This one can stay in the fridge for 2 weeks, but please, I beg you, not by the door of the fridge. Don't put it by the door of the fridge so that it will not get spoiled. So this is good before they do the do. You understand what I mean? Taking him or her to the mountain before they do the do, or you can call it immigrant, any name you want to call it. Yeah, just call the name you want on your own. So as it is, just drink it 1 glass before the do the do or after do the do. Some people like to be taking it 1 glass before do the do and after do the do. The reason is this. That is because of some stubborn spermatozoa. That's the reason why some people takes it 1 cup before the do and another cup after doing the do. Yeah guys, very, very important. This method is very, very good. Not only for the breastfeeding, for everyone. Like I said before, if you're having irregular menstrual period, it is good for you. If you are the type that doesn't want modern contraceptives, this method is also for you. So guys, this is the remaining one. And here the one I'm going to put in my fridge. The taste is good. It doesn't taste bad. It's just okay. It's just that it's a little bit hot depending on the quantity you used. And also to show you guys that it is drinkable. It is very, very drinkable, no problem. Just you can take it at any time of the day you want it. So that is it for today. If you like to know more about the plant that produces this Negro Seed, you can write on the comment section, then I'll go ahead and explain more on these fruits. So for my old subscribers, thank you so much. I really appreciate you for watching till now. You are the real VIP of this channel. For my new subscribers, thank you so much also for clicking on this video. I appreciate you. Just do me a favor by looking at your right hand, click on that button that says subscribe. Whenever I put a new video, you will be also notified. Thank you so much for coming. Don't forget to on your bell. That is very important. And see you on my next video. Always remember the normal routine, washing your hands and other things you're supposed to do to be safe. So see you guys in my next video. Bye.